got a 2019 Acura MDX. If you want to change out your cabin filter, I'm going to show you where it's at. Go over here to your glove box, and you're going to press this tab down and this tab down here, and you can pull this door right out, okay? Once you get that out, you're going to need to push this guy in. Same thing on this side here. Just push it inward this way, and this door right here will come off too. Okay. The door actually holds the filter. You can just pull it right out. Just like so. Okay. Just holds it in there. If you need to get one of these filters, I'll leave a link down in the description box. This one's pretty clean. Put your new one back in there. Just take note of the direction where it says airflow. Okay, it has a little arrow down. It says it on this filter too, airflow. Down. Just reinstall it like you took it out. Okay. The little door. There you have it.